Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is 31st March 2021 and today we're doing the page number 9 and 10 of Countdown Book 4. So students, open your page number 9. In previous lesson we do the page number 7 and 8 and exercise 1B part question number 1. Today we do the question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. 375 plus 405 plus 163 is equal to 943. When you add all these questions, your answer is 943 is true. 400 more than unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 69,843 is 69,443 is false. When you add these value, our answer is not this. 7,000 is less than 897,536 is a unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 890,536 is true. When we subtract this value in this value, जब हम इस वैल्यू में से इसको माइनस करेंगे आपका आंसर 890,536 आएगा इज ट्रू. आसिफ हैज़ 895,123 एंड फहद हैज़ 896,012. फहद हैज़ मोर मनी देन आसिफ. Fahad has more money than Asif is true. Anas spent the 728,000 to purchase a car. Salman bought a car for 725,555. Salman paid more money for this purchase is false. Question number 3. Select the correct answers from the given option. First is the sum of the largest 5-digit numbers and the smallest 4-digit numbers is 100,900,000. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 250,000 plus 25,000 is equal to 275,000. Question number 3 is 2400 plus 180 plus 9 is equal to 2589. This is the difference between the unit 10, 100,000 and 99,999 is 1,000 is equal and 1,000 is equal to 98,999. Take away unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 874,522 unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 959. Option number 1, 25, unit 10, 100,000, 10, 25,531. Add the followings. Now we add the sums. 6 plus 7 is 13. We write here 3, 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 8, we write here 8. 8 plus 0, we write here 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. You solve all these questions like this. Go to your page number 10. Write the vertically and add. First we write the numbers like this. In vertical form we write the questions like this. 9 plus 1 is 10. We write here 0, 1 carry. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 9, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. We write like this and solve the questions. You solve all these questions like this. Write the numbers which is 200 more than unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 125,000. First you write the value. We add 0, 2, 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 5, 2, 0. Our answer is 1, 2, 5, 2, 0. You add to this. First you write the value, after that you write this value and you add. You solve all these questions like this. Subtract the followings. 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 2. Here the smallest value and here is the biggest value. We take a carry in it. 14 minus 9 is 5. Here we have a 6, 6 minus, here is a nothing and we write 6 like as it is. You solve all this question like this. Write the vertical and subtract. First we write the numbers. Here our first value is a smaller and second value is a greater. We take a carry in it. Here we have a 18, 18 minus 9 is 9. Here we have a 2 and we take one carry. 12, 12 minus 4 is 8. Here we have a 6. We take a one carry. 16, 16 minus 8 is 8. Here we have a 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2, 3, 8, 8, 9. We write like this and solve the questions. You solve all these sums like this. Subtract 100 from the each of the following. Here is our numbers. And first we write the numbers. And subtract 100. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 8, 5, 2. Our answer is 1, 6, 8, 5, 2. We solve all this question like this. Subtract 500 from each of the following numbers. First we write the numbers. Subtract 500. 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. Here is nothing. We write the 5 as it is, as 8 as it is, and 3 as it is. Our answer is 3, 8, 5, 1, 2, 0.